Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically log into Windows completely bypassing the password unlock screen, so your computer boots straight to the desktop. If you're the only person using your PC, typing a PIN or password every time can get annoying. This method works for local accounts and Microsoft accounts. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure Windows allows us to turn off the password requirements. Open your Start menu and let's go to Settings. On the left side, click on Account, then click on Sign In Options. Scroll down until you see Additional Settings. Look for the option that says, for improved security, only allow Windows Hello Sign In for Microsoft accounts on this device. You need to turn this switch off. Next, we're going to tell Windows to stop asking for a username and password when you boot up. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R at the same time. This opens the Run box. Let's type netplwiz and press OK. A user accounts window will pop up. Because we changed the settings in step 1, you will see a checkbox at the top that says user must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck that box, then click Apply. Windows will now ask you to sign in one last time to confirm this change. Enter your current password, not your PIN, your actual password, in both boxes, and then click OK. Now, when you restart your computer, it will sign you in automatically. Now, we're not quite done yet. That step only handles the computer starting up. If your computer goes to sleep, it will ask you for a password when it wakes up. So let's fix that. Go back to Settings, then Accounts, and Sign In Options. Under Additional Settings, look for if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again. Change the drop-down menu next to it from when PC wakes up to never. Windows will now ask you to enter your password. And now your PC acts like a tablet. Press a button and the screen is instantly back on. Finally, let's get rid of the lock screen. That is the screen with the clock and wallpaper you have to swipe away before you even see the login box. Press the Windows key and R again and type regedit and hit enter. Click yes if prompted. Now let's follow this path carefully. On the left sidebar, double click H key local machine, then software, then policies, then Microsoft, and finally Windows. Let's right click on the Windows folder and select new, then key, and name this new folder personalization. Now click inside that new personalization folder, right click in the empty white space on the right, select new, then DWORD 32-bit value, and name it no lock screen. One word, no spaces. Double click that new file you just made and change the value data from 0 to 1. Then click OK. Close everything and restart your computer. And that's it. You just completely disabled the Windows login password unlock screen. Your PC will now boot up and land directly on your desktop, ready to work. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.